Hey there, Lincoln here from BoAcademy.org. Today I want to give you some urgent news if you're a Robinhood user, and if you're on any brokerage, this also applies to you. So make sure to watch all the way to the end because it's important that you understand how to protect your account on Robinhood or any brokerage account that you have. Bloomberg News is reporting that 4 Robinhood users have had their accounts hacked by hackers because their email and passwords leaked on other apps. Those hackers were able to get into the Robinhood accounts, connect their own bank account, sell the user's stocks, and then transfer the money to the hacker's bank account. And by the time the account owner found out, it was too late to stop the transaction, and they could not get a hold of Robinhood to help them stop the hack. So these people, these Robinhood users, are losing thousands of dollars because their Robinhood accounts were compromised due to a leak on other apps that did not have to do with Robinhood. It's just that they used their email and password from other apps on their Robinhood account, and because those apps leaked their email and password, the hackers were able to target their Robinhood account and get in and steal their money. While this specific news is about Robinhood accounts, it is not unique to Robinhood. If your email and passwords leak from other apps, hackers can target you on any other apps that you use that email and password on. So if you use it on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn, or your bank account, or your Robinhood, or Charles Schwab, or Weibo account, they can all be compromised by a leak of your email and password somewhere else. So you have to protect your accounts. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you can do to protect your email account and your Robinhood account. And this security step is becoming standard in the tech industry. So no matter which brokerage you're using, there should be a way for you to add a security step to protect your account. What we're going to do is add 2-factor authentication to your Robinhood account and your email account. If you have Gmail, it's very simple, and if you have some other email account, I'm sure it's pretty simple too. All you gotta do is Google how to do that, but I'm gonna focus on Gmail and I'm gonna focus on Robinhood. So let's jump into your Robinhood account real quick and show you exactly how to protect your account. So what you wanna do is go to your Robinhood account on your mobile phone or your laptop, and then go to Account, and then Settings, and then Security, and then 2-factor authentication. This can be referred to as 2FA, which is the same thing as saying 2-factor authentication. So if you're looking for this on other apps, it may be referred to as 2FA or 2-factor authentication. They're both the same thing. All it does is add a second layer of security to your account. So whenever you try to log into your account with your email and password, they ask you to verify your login with a second step. So that can be a text, phone call, or email from the account that you're trying to log into. So for me, I usually use a text message. I get a text message from my account. They text you a 4-digit code or a 6-digit code, and they say if you're trying to log in, enter this into the verification code box, and you will be set. It says 2-factor authentication adds an additional layer of security to your account. When you sign in, you will need to enter your password and verification code, and you can learn more about how that works. And then of course you get backup codes. So just in case you lose your phone or you can't access verification code, you have these backup codes somewhere that you can look up and then enter that to retrieve your account. So it's very simple to set up. All you gotta do is hit turn on, and then they tell you to choose your authentication method. How would you like to receive verification codes? You can choose SMS, which is just a text message, or you can choose the authentication app. So let's take a look at what authentication app is. You will have to download a third-party authentication app and then scan this QR code to set up the authentication app so that in the future when you try to log in, they can send you a code in that app, and you take that code and enter it into the login form, and then you will be set. But I'm going to go back and use the SMS, the text message. So let's choose SMS and we hit next, and it says we just sent you a code to your phone number, and what I got to do is enter that code 202271 and hit next, and then hit continue, verify your account, email and password, and then it sends you the code again because you're attempting to authenticate into your account. So whenever you try to authenticate into your account, you're going to have to enter the code 898230 and continue. Looks like my code is invalid. So I'll just hit I did not receive the code and then get a new one. 921082 and continue, and I'm in. I have my emergency backup code, and I can hit done, and my 2-factor authentication is on. That's it. It's very simple. And you can do the same thing on your email account. You can do Gmail. So if you're on Gmail, if you're on Google, you can go to myaccount.google.com and you can hit security, and then you scroll down and you see two-step verification right here. Mine's already on, but if yours isn't on, you just go through the same steps that we just went through. So you'll go through the exact same steps on Google that you just went through on Robinhood, and you will have two-factor authentication on your email, and you will have it on your Robinhood account. That way, even if hackers get your email and password, they can't log into your account without that second step of verification. So you're going to receive a verification code on your phone or your email or that two-factor authentication app. And if you're trying to log in, then you enter it. And if you're not, then you know that somebody's trying to get into your account without your permission, and you just let it go because they cannot get in. So 2FA, two-factor authentication or two-step verification, protects your account by giving you a second layer of protection to verify all authentication attempts. Whenever you try to log in, you will receive a verification code and have to verify that before you can actually get into your account. That way your account is protected from any hackers. It's very important that you set this up as soon as possible because you can be hacked at any moment. There are many ways that hackers can get your email and password, and if there's leaks on other apps, it makes it even easier for them. So if you use up 2FA, you will be more protected and your money will be safer in your Robinhood account or any brokerage account. And all of your personal information on all of these apps that you're using will be safer. You need to set that up on your email at least, and then on your Robinhood account. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video below, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and comment below what your thoughts are on all of this. And of course, make sure you set up your 2FA so that your account is protected. I'm Lincoln with brokerages.org. Thank you again, and have a great day.